Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amofa. Welcome, bienvenidos. No. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your eyebrows done right. So you can see here, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly heel in the color Ebony, and I'm using an angled brush. This brush is from BH Cosmetics, and why I like it is because it's stiff, so it helps me get my lines with precision. Take a bit from the gel pot. You can remove the excess onto the back of the lid. Take your spoolie, which you're gonna need to brush up your eyebrows and to set them in place before you outline. Let's zoom in a bit. Okay, now I always start with the bottom. So lightly, I just draw a line to carve out the shape that I want it to take at the bottom. When I'm done, then I'll do the top. Take your time, take your time. Don't rush the brows. Now I'm gonna draw the line up top. Now you need your eyebrows to look as realistic as possible. Not too dark, not too long, not too arched. So I'm just going to take what's left on my brush and fill in my brows. Light strokes to reflect hair, you know, to make it look real and natural. I use the least amount of product at the beginning. So you can see I'm using my brush to check whether everything is in the right position. If it is, you continue. If not, you correct. Now I know you guys can see a little bit of hair here and there. I'm gonna take my tweezer and I'm gonna pluck it out later on. I don't go to a salon to do my brows, I do it myself, and this is how I usually groom it. If I see that I have some stray hairs here and there, I take my tweezer and I pluck it out. I'm used to it. Since my friend introduced this method to me back in university, I haven't gone back since then. Even though the first day I did it, I cried my eyes out. It was so painful. Now I'm just being precise, guys, making it look as real and as filled in as possible. Can you see that? Can you just see the difference? Difference is real. Okay, moving along. Taking my tweezer, I'm gonna take out those hairs that are not supposed to be there. This is a slanted tweezer from Mod Cosmetics. Pluck, 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 pluck. Now if you do tend to get a bit red, I would advise you do this before you do your makeup. But with all my melanin, you can't see any redness, so I do it while I do my makeup. I do, pluck, pluck. I do, pluck, pluck. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna conceal under my brows. Taking my Morphe M421 concealer brush and my LA Girl Pro in the color Beautiful Bronze, I'm gonna just clean up under my brows. I rarely ever clean on top of my brows, unless that day was a terrible day, and I would use something as close to my skin tone as possible. So as you can see, I'm just dragging down the concealer cleaning up under my brows to make it look snatched. Snatched, snatched, and snatched. Take your time. You don't want to clean off all the hard work you already did with your brows, with the concealer. So gentle strokes, lightly, going back and forth, dragging it down till you're done. And that's it, guys. Since I got the Anastasia Beverly heels, I basically use it all the time to do my brows, unless I'm in a rush and I just use a pencil. But I love it. I absolutely love it. I think what makes the difference is the brush. Like I said, I use my BH Cosmetics angled brush because it's stiff. The other brushes that I had were a bit softer, didn't allow me to have as much precision as I needed. And so, you know, guys, brows are sisters. They're not identical twins. So if some days it's not the same, no problem. Just continue trying. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on Saturday with my next video. Have a lovely day. From your girl, Amofa. Bye. Rate my brows. What would you give me? 10 over 10?